They don't get to take that away from you. They do not get to take your worthiness away from you, your self-esteem, your power. Yeah, I get it that you love that person and they hurt you and you want them back desperately. You get to manifest them back, but not from this energy space. When we are hurt, abandoned, betrayed, lied to, cheated, we automatically step into a space of a lot of needy energy, and needy energy repels. From that space, we don't know our worthiness, our value, what we deserve. We temporarily give away our power. From this space, you cannot manifest the soulmate love that you deserve because needy energy repels. But here's the thing, you can absolutely change things. You have the power within you to manifest whatever you want. Nobody gets to take away that power from you. Nobody gets to take away your worthiness from you. If they do, it wasn't true worthiness to begin with. And it's time to change that, babe. To get started, check out the masterclass in the link below.